Hi, I wanted to show you how to check your grades in our class. So if you're in our home page, and click on your home, and you see our class, you see announcements, you see everything here. Then you can go click on grades to check your grades. Now I'm doing this as a test student, so I've only filled in a grade for one assignment, but it'll show all of your assignments and all of your scores. And for a lot of them, I'm going to post feedback for you. So you can see here's something that I just pretended to score this. So let's look at this. I scored it with a 7 out of 10. And this is the feedback I left for this imaginary test student. This is where you will see the feedback when you check your grades. So I can ask you questions on your assignment, and you can answer right back. So you could answer, I turned this in on time. If I just, for example, so if I'd said, hey, did you turn this in on time? I learned is showing that it was an hour late. You could then respond, yeah, I turned it in on time. And then that goes directly to my email, so I can make sure that your score is correct. But you can check this every single time you have an assignment and stay current on the things that I'm sharing with you. I hope this helps.